Welcome back to my channel. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 immediately stands out with its clean, futuristic design. The front end is sleeker, the lines are smoother, and the stance is slightly wider, giving it a confident look. Flush door handles, slim LED headlights, and aerodynamic panels aren't just stylish, they're built to maximize efficiency. Even the wheels are shaped to reduce drag for better range. At the back, the updated taillights and refined bumper give it a more premium feel. It's still a classic Model 3, just sharper and more polished. Tesla's minimalist philosophy is clear. Nothing extra, just a refined, modern electric sedan. Inside, the cabin feels calm and open. Almost everything is controlled through the 15-inch touchscreen. The dashboard runs straight across with soft materials and subtle ambient lighting. Improved insulation makes the cabin quieter than before, and the panoramic glass roof adds brightness and a sense of space. The seats offer better support and comfort on long drives. The simple layout might not be for everyone, but it gives the car a clean, modern atmosphere. Underneath, Tesla has improved battery efficiency. Depending on the model, the range reaches 310 to 360 miles. Helped by updated aerodynamics and battery chemistry, using Tesla's supercharger V4 network. Charging from 10% to 80% takes about 20 minutes. Performance varies by version, but every model feels quick thanks to instant electric torque. The rear-wheel drive version is smooth and responsive. The long-range AWD adds more power and stability. The performance model is extremely fast, hitting 0 to 60 miles per hour in roughly 3.1 seconds. On the road, the 2026 Model 3 is more refined. The updated suspension absorbs bumps better but still keeps handling sharp. The low battery placement gives the car excellent balance in corners. And regenerative braking allows smooth one-pedal driving. Tesla's tech remains a major highlight. The updated autopilot and optional full self-driving use, advanced cameras, and processors for quicker decisions. Features include lane assistance, adaptive cruise control, auto parking, and freeway navigation, with over-the-air updates adding improvements over time. The 2026 model also brings improved voice controls, better phone integration, sharper camera quality for Sentry mode and dashcam, and a more efficient heat pump for climate control. Practicality is strong too. You get a good-sized trunk, a front storage compartment, and foldable rear seats for extra space. Despite being a compact sedan, the interior layout makes it feel more spacious than expected. Overall, the 2026 Tesla Model 3 combines modern design, strong performance, long range, and advanced technology in a clean, efficient package. It's refined, fast, practical, and one of the most well-rounded electric cars on the market.